on again. Good. Okay, this is my debut single with Beyonce Entertainment, titled Walk With Us. The song was inspired by all the current events going on in our country. For some strange reason, we still have an issue with color barriers. For those of you that know me, I was adopted when I was 2 years old, and my entire family is white. And my father is 74 years old. And he knows me, he loves me for who I am. And that's my goal. That's what I really do. I try to make music that inspires people. Annalise is featured on the track, and she did an amazing job. And we're just trying to make a difference, one song at a time. Fun time. Go. Whoa, whoa.
What is that?
Yeah, start over.
Start. We're having a lot of fun tonight up here.
We are.
Do you guys want to come up? Wait.
Yeah, everybody, I know. This is the last song of the night. Last thing. Come on up again.
Come on,
up.
Come on.
One more time. Last song of the night. I appreciate y'all. It's coming out late. It's 10. We're closing out hard. Get out of your seats. I appreciate everybody that came out tonight, everybody here. Come on out. This song is titled Walk With Us. It's time for some unity in our country, and hopefully it can start right here in the Sky Bar.
We're good.
Get it.